Kids, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus 8's formula. Okay, we will be doing B row in the class. This B row and A row will be your homework. Okay, let us start with the B row. First question, plus 2, again 2, now plus 8. Do I have enough beats to do plus 8? No. So what will I do? I will apply the formula of 8, that is plus 10 minus 2. Plus 10 minus 2. That's it. Now move on with the question. Next is minus 2. Minus 2. My answer is 10. Okay. Next question. Plus 4 plus 8. Again, do I have enough beats to do 8? No. I can't add 8 anywhere. No, I don't have enough beats. So, what is the formula of 8? Plus 10 minus 2. Move on with the question. Next is minus 2, then plus 1. My answer is 11. Next question, guys. Plus 3 plus 8. Do I have enough beats to do 8? Clearly, no. So, what is the formula of 8? Plus 10 minus 2. Then plus 4. Do I have enough beats to do 4? No. So, formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then I have to do minus 2. Do I have enough beats to do minus 2? No again. So, formula of minus 2 minus 5 plus 3. My answer is 13. Next question. 4 plus 8. Can I do 8? No. So when we don't have beats, what do? We apply the formula of the number we don't have beats for. So formula of 8 is plus 10 minus 2, then plus 3. Do I have beats to do plus 3? No. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 1. Do I have beats to do minus 1? No. So formula of minus 1 minus 5 plus 4. My answer is 14. Next question, last one. 5. We'll do 5. Then plus 3 plus 8. Do I have enough beats to do 8? No. So formula for plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. Then minus 3. Do I have beats to do minus 3? No. So formula of minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. My answer is 13. Let's write 13. I hope it was clear, guys. Okay. Do let me know the answers of homework in the comments. Aero is your homework. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.